Installing a vinyl plank floor can transform a space quickly and affordably. Start by acclimating the flooring in the room for at least 48 hours so it adjusts to temperature and humidity. Measure the room and add 10% for waste before buying material to avoid shortfalls during installation. Prepare the subfloor by ensuring it is clean, flat, and dry. Use a self-leveling compound for low spots greater than 3/16 of an inch over a 10-foot span and a patching compound for small cracks. Use a quality underlayment compatible with your product to reduce squeaks and improve sound insulation and thermal comfort. When laying the planks, stagger end joints by at least 12 inches and maintain the manufacturer recommended expansion gap around the perimeter using spacers so the floor can expand and contract. Cut planks with a utility knife and straight edge for most brands and reserve a fine-toothed saw for tricky trims near door jambs. Score and snap for a clean edge when appropriate. Common mistakes include failing to acclimate material, which can cause buckling later. To avoid this, store the boxes flat in the installation room for the recommended time. Another frequent issue is inadequate subfloor preparation, leading to hollow spots or rapid wear. Always clean sweep and repair imperfections and test for moisture with a reliable meter before installation. Third is ignoring expansion gaps, especially in larger areas, which results in buckling at seams. Use consistent spacer blocks and measure gaps around fixed objects to maintain at least the minimum clearance suggested by the manufacturer. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a searchable platform to find workmanship options near you. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange advice, project photos, and recommendations to make planning and hiring easier.